Welcome back to the another inspiring Japanese tiny house tour. In today's video, we are going to step inside a beautifully designed Japanese tiny house that shows us how small space can be incredibly functional, stylish, and also welcoming. This Japanese tiny house is more than just a home, it's a carefully thought out living space that blends traditional Japanese simplicity with modern design solution. If you are ever dream of living in cozy, minimalist home that still offers comfort and practically, this Japanese tiny house is a perfect example. As we approach the entrance of this Japanese tiny house, one of the first thing you will notice is the outdoor terrace that extend along the front. This terrace is designed as an inviting semi-outdoor space where you can truly enjoy the surrounding environment with two comfortable lounge chairs placed perfectly in becomes the ideal spot to sip up a cup of coffee, read a book, or simply relax while appreciating the fresh air. The terrace adds not only functionality but also a warm, welcoming atmosphere to the overall design of the Japanese tiny house. Stepping inside this Japanese tiny house, the layout immediately feels bright, open, and airy. The ground floor has been designed with an open layout, making the space flow natural from one area to the next. Right in the center, there is a small pantry table that works as both a dining area and a multifunctional workspace. It's compact but perfectly suited for everyday needs of the resident. The living room is placed just next to it. Designed with minimal furniture to create a clutter-free and relaxing environment, this open layout is one of the key highlights of this Japanese tiny house, proving that thoughtful design can make a small home feel much larger than it really is. Now, one of the most unique features of this Japanese tiny house is the loft bed located above the bathroom. By placing the bed in the loft space, the design not only maximizes the use of vertical space but also creates a cozy and private sleeping area. The loft bed is accessible through a compact staircase or ladders, and once you are up there, you will find a comfortable retreat that feels separate from the activity below. This loft bedroom design is another example of how smart and practical the layout of this Japanese tiny house really is. The bathroom itself, located just below the loft bed, is compact yet efficient. It offers all essential while maintaining the same minimalist aesthetic that defines the rest of this Japanese tiny house.